Sing the letters, sing them loud, spell them out and make us proud. From A to Z, we're on our way, learning something new today. A is for apple, hanging on a tree. B is for bear, as brown as can be. C is for cat, who loves to play. D is for dog, resting all day. E is for elephant, stomping around. F is for frog, leaping off the ground. G is for giraffe, stretching up tall. H is for hippo, the heaviest of all. I is for iguana, basking in the sun. J is for jellyfish, swimming for fun. K is for kangaroo, hopping so high. L is for lion, roaring at the sky. M is for monkey, swinging in the breeze. N is for nest, hidden in the trees. O is for owl, awake in the night. P is for penguin, waddling in the white. Q is for quail, a bird that runs fast. R is for rabbit, hopping right past. S is for snake, slithering low. T is for turtle, moving so slow. U is for unicorn, a magical sight. V is for volcano, glowing so bright. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is in X-ray, to see inside of me. Y is for yak, fluffy and strong. Z is for zebra, where stripes belong.